Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already seen the title of this video, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to apply the K-Beauty color correcting primers properly. Now I have done a complete review video on the K-Beauty color correcting primers. I will link it right here so that you guys can go there and check it out. But in today's video I'm just gonna show you how to apply the color correcting primers properly so that you guys don't go overboard with it. And these are not your usual primers, so I thought of making a quick little video on this. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you hear a little bit of noise, it's because of my AC is on and our dog is snoring right there and he is sleeping so peacefully. I just don't want to disturb him, so just please excuse us. And without rambling much, let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video, and let's go. Alrighty, so here we go, and this is how my skin looks like. Let me just tell you, I am MAC NC25 and this is how my skin looks like. I have a lot of pigmentation right here. I have acne scars, popping pimple, there is another popping pimple right here, and I have dark circles. There is a lot of rashes and redness going on, and also I have a little bit of discoloration around my mouth area. So I don't have a perfect skin either, and it's okay not to be perfect. So let's get started with this one. This is the peach color correcting primer. As I have fair skin, I'm gonna be using this one. If you have medium to deeper skin tone, you can use this one. This is perfect for darker skin tone people. And if you have a lot of pigmentation around your mouth, if you have a lot of dark circles, this is something to go for. But as I have fair skin tone and my dark circles are not too dark, so I'm gonna be using the peach corrector. And the most important thing is how you apply it. Now in my last video, that's the first time I was using these primers, okay? So I took some and I applied it all over my skin, and my skin looked white, okay? Initially it looks white, but after a couple of times it just settles into your skin and looks pretty normal. But first when you apply it, it looks a bit white, and if you want to avoid that, just take a little bit. I'm taking this much, then take it on your fingers and just apply it underneath your eyes or wherever you have pigmentation. And I mostly have dark circles towards the inner corner of my eyes, so I'm gonna apply it right there. It feels so hydrating, you guys. I absolutely love it. And then just tap 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 and blend. Also I have a little bit of darkness on the outer corner of my eyes, so I'm gonna apply a little bit right there. Can you guys see it instantly brightens up the area? And as this one is a color correcting primer, so this is not a color corrector and there is no chance of going overboard with it. Just take a little bit and dab 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 and you are done. So yeah, this is how my under eyes looks like now, and then I have to deal with the pigmentation that I have on my skin. Now if you have a lot of active acne, if you have a lot of redness going on your skin, you should use this one. This is the green color correcting primer, and this is really good if you have a lot of redness on your skin. And as I have a little bit of popping rashes right here and they are pretty red, so I'm going to use a little bit just to show you. So take a very small amount, okay? You don't have to use a lot, otherwise this is going to look too bright. And I'm going to apply it right here. So as you guys can see, I have a very little bit of redness right here, so I have applied a very small amount. You don't have to use a lot. And also I have a little bit of pore issues, so this is going to take care of that as well. Now you guys can see I have a little bit of dark spots right here. They are not extremely visible, but they are visible enough. Now the peach corrector is fine for me, or else I can use the green corrector as well, but I'm just gonna use this one to show you how it's gonna hide the dark spots if you have on your skin. So I'm gonna take about this much. And I'm gonna apply it like that. And you guys can see that it spreads so evenly. You don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a really long way. So if you just get one, it's gonna go for a really long time. And this is how my skin looks like right now. Alright, so this is how my skin looks like right now, and the next thing I'm gonna do is, now you guys can see that I have a little bit of darkness around my mouth. If you have darkness around your mouth, you can also use an orange corrector. I'm just gonna use this one just to show you, and this is really good if you have dull skin or if you have pigmentation around your mouth and if you have like black spots on your skin, this is really good to brighten that area. So I'm gonna take a very small amount, about this much, and I'm gonna apply wherever I have pigmentation. And this is how it looks like. Okay, now moving on to the yellow one. Now this one is a little tricky. This is not for everyone. If you don't know how to use color correctors on your face, the peach one or the orange color correcting primer is okay for you. Now this is something to give brightness to your skin. Now if you have deep dark circles, or if you have blue purple veins around your eye area, this is perfect for that. You can just use a little bit of color corrector or a color correcting primer, and then you can use it on top just to give a little bit of brightness on that area, and this is perfect for that. Now this is best suitable for light to fair skin tone people. If you have medium to dark skin, you can use it just to brighten up that area, but you need another color corrector underneath. And let me just show you how to use it. So I'm gonna take this much, and I'm gonna concentrate on the area where I want to brighten up. Can you guys see it instantly brightened up this particular area, and it looks beautiful. Yeah, this is good for brightening your skin up, but I think this is not a necessary one. The orange one and the peach one is perfect. So this is how my skin looks like right now, and I wish K-Beauty comes out with a regular primer for everyone, because color correcting primers are not everyone's cup of tea. And I wish they come out with a normal primer for everyone, so that you can use it all over your skin. And the formula of this primer is amazing. It's so hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. You are gonna love this. I have oily skin and I love it so much. And next I'm gonna be using the foundation on top, just to show you how it sits on my skin. I am in the shade 120Y Light. Yeah, and then I'm gonna dot it like that all over my skin. Okay, can you guys see how beautiful my base is looking? It looks so nice and dewy and flawless and too bright at the same time. And this is the reason why I wanted to make this particular video. I just wanted to show you that after applying the primer and foundation, my base looks white and it looks unnatural. So you guys can see this is how my skin looks like now. I will apply the rest of my makeup and come back, and then you will see my base looks pretty normal. So this is something happens after applying the primer. Your base is going to look a little bit white, but when the foundation and the primer settles down into the skin, it looks pretty normal and pretty flawless. Okay, so let me just finish the rest of my makeup and come back. Alright you guys, I'm back, and can you guys see my foundation is my exact match, but it was looking a little bright just because of the primer I have applied underneath, and now you guys can see it looks pretty normal. So this is something I wanted to show you, and this is how my base looks like. Can you guys see how beautiful and flawless my base is looking? Highly recommend this primers if you have a lot of pigmentation, redness, dark circles, or darkness around your mouth, or if you have pigmented skin. You should definitely try these products out. And now that you guys know that how to use the products properly, I think it's not gonna be a problem anymore. So yeah guys, that's about it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also let me know in the comment section below if you like this video or if you find this video helpful or not. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one.